Why are you so far ahead up there? That's great. Bro, my whole back end was fucking sliding. That's wild. I don't know if you'll see that in video, but the whole shit was going like that. Like the whole fucking thing. Whole fucking thing. I did not think he was gonna stop for that. So my ass was speeding up. Well, he fucking stopped for that. Oop. My bad. The whole thing. That was fucking, it was kind of cool feeling, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. So is that a good thing I was chill with that, or bad because I wasn't unsettled by it? Oh yeah, Vector! Committing crimes with velocity and magnitude. Did I get that one right? Eh.
I heard the squealing. I thought it was me. That was you.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Well.
Or maybe it was me.